Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the dust bag in the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50 Pro base station. So the dust bag is a little bit hidden, but where it's right here. So all we have to do is take this cover off, and as you guys can see, we got the access to the dust bag. Now what are we gonna do is we're simply gonna push this out by holding it here. So let me quickly switch my hand for it. As you guys can see, we got the entire thing out. Now if we will have the situation like this, we just push it back in. Here we got everything, and now we can simply clean it on the inside. We can also simply just change it. So let me quickly get another one. And now I got the entire one, basically the same setup as usual. So we're gonna go over and press it in. Now after it's pressed in, we need to make it a little bit hidden here, and we can mount the part back in. So as you guys can see, now let's quickly put this back, and that's how you guys can easily change the dust bag. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.